So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kaheem. Y'all, my Instagram is Travel with Kaheem. My TikTok, Kaheem Travel. I will link all those down in the description. If y'all are interested in going in on any vacation, then remember to check out Serene Travel. I will leave their link also down in the description. So today's video, based on the title, you would have seen that I am reviewing a product. So today's product is Curology. It's basically like a beauty brand, I would say. Basically, I signed up. They let you send pictures of your face and so forth from different angles. The dermatologist will prescribe what you get. Oh my God, guys, they were so nice. As in, they explained everything. They explained when I should use products, what I should not wear with the products. They explained timing and all of that. So I just got home and I saw the package. Y'all, if you want more of these videos, remember to comment and subscribe and leave it down to let me know. So as I said, I just got home, I saw the package, and I decided, you know what? Let's do an unboxing video. This video is not sponsored by Curology. However, if they're interested in a collaboration, why not just reach out to me? I'll leave my email down in the description. Or if any of you guys are interested in a collaboration or you want a business deal, anything, just reach out to me. If you want me to host your events, like everything that you guys want. Okay, so first let's open. So first we have a welcome message that say I was made for you. Curology, let's see over the next couple of weeks if you were really made for me. So y'all, like, I cannot give an instant review of the product, but if y'all come back to the channel, what I will be doing is filming daily to show you guys the progress that I am making. So first we have a card here that says good skin days are ahead. Look how beautiful. Yeah, so this shows you how to apply your personalized formula. Healthy skin starts here. So they say in 1 to 2 week 1 to 2, initial breakouts, aka purging, can occur as your skin adjusts. Good news, it's temporary. Okay, so that's what we should expect in week 1 to 2. Week 2 to 6, you may notice your skin improving while dark spots fade and texture smooths out. And week 6 to 8 plus, your skin should steadily improve. Continue using your formula for lasting results. Okay, this is good. So y'all remember this. So I believe that they will send it in everyone personalized package. All right, so this is the bag that it comes in inside of the box. So this is personalized skin solution. As I said, it's based on your skin that they prescribe what you need. So y'all, let's get to opening this package. Y'all, is it just me, but I love packages. Like, to review something is totally me. But y'all remember to subscribe for more of these videos and tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, share up the vlogs. Okay, so let's see what's the first thing. So the first thing here is the emergency spot patch. So here it is. So if you have an acne, I don't believe that I currently have any. So you just put that on your face. Next we have the, okay, so this, I don't see a name on it other than my name, but it has like apply to face nightly. It tells you what to do. I will just put the instructions on the screen of what it has in and so forth, guys. Next we have the gentle cleanser. So this is lightly foaming face wash. Lightly foaming face wash. And next is the micellar makeup remover. Okay, so for those who do their makeups, you would need this. Okay. Y'all, I only hope these products work over the course of the weeks. And next is the acne body wash. They say 2% celiac acid treatment. Okay, here it is, y'all. Oh, and then the Curology lip balm. Y'all, I was so excited to get the lip balm. So let me open it to see how it looks. Okay, it's giving. Y'all, this is giving what it's supposed to give. It's well branded by Curology and everything. Oh, wow, I love this. For some weird reason, I feel like I'm opening it incorrectly. But hey, oh, there's the lip balm. Oh, wow, it's really nice. Y'all, look at how this is. You can see, like, y'all, be honest, I love the presentation of this package. Curology really handled this. Like, so far I'm having a good experience with them based on just opening the packages to see what it is. And they say first impression last, so you know, let's see. And the last thing that we have is the Curology moisturizer. So just to go over everything, we have the Curology moisturizer, y'all, the makeup remover, the emergency spot patch, the lip balm, which is obviously one of my favorite things here, the acne body wash. So for those who have acne, this would be perfect for you guys. I will leave a link to Curology website down in my description. Or if y'all have any questions, you can reach out to me on my Instagram. That will also be down in the description. You have this Curology, y'all. As I said, this does not have a specific name on it for me to be sure what it is. And last but not least is the Gentle Cleanser. This is the light foaming face wash. So how much things did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yeah. So in all, y'all, that's 7 things. I want to say a huge thank you to Curology. Like, this is really, really good. But if y'all want to see my progress over the course of the weeks, I will try to do an update every week so you guys see the difference. But further ado, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more of these videos. And my Instagram is down in the description. My TikTok is down in the description. If you all have any questions or concerns, you can either leave it in the comments or reach out to me on my social media platforms. Further ado, I will see you guys next time.